In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to personalize email sequences in Close.com. With the newer versions of Close CRM, workflows replace the old sequences feature, so instead of building a sequence the old way, you'll create a workflow that sends personalized emails using email templates and template tags, also known as merge fields. This is a great setup if you want outreach to feel more personal while still saving time. To get started, log into your Close account and begin by creating your email templates first. Head over to Settings, then go to Communication and click Templates and Snippets. From there, click New Template to create your first personalized email. Give the template a clear name, add your subject line, and then write the body of your email. This is where personalization matters most, so use merge fields for things like first name, company, industry, or other custom details you track in Close. Once you're done, click Save. If needed, you can also share the template with your organization so other team members can use it. Next, create your second email template the same way. Click New Template again, name it, add the subject and body, and save it. Then repeat the process for a third personalized email template. The exact number of templates depends on how many emails you want in your sequence, but in this example, we're using 3. Once your templates are ready, go to Workflows and click New Workflow. Choose Start from Scratch. Click the pencil icon to name your workflow, enter a clear name for it, and save. Now it's time to add your trigger. Choose Leads for this example. A trigger controls when the workflow starts, so this is the condition that enrolls a lead into your email flow. For the filter, select the custom field status, then choose New and click Done. That means the workflow will begin whenever a lead matches that status. Add your first step and select Email. Choose the first template you created earlier, save it, and make sure the setting is switched to Send automatically. This ensures the email goes out without needing manual approval whenever a lead enters the workflow. Click Done. Then add another email step. Set a delay of 3 days before sending, and select your second email template. Delays are helpful because they space out your communication and prevent leads from getting multiple emails too quickly. Save and click Done. For the final step, add one more email, set the delay to 5 days, and choose your third email template. Save it and click Done. Once everything looks right, click Activate, then Confirm. As a best practice, use fallback values so your emails still sound natural, even if some contact data is missing. You should also consider communication windows so emails are sent during business hours, and keep refining your templates based on performance. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more.